In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline on text in DaVinci Resolve. We will start from the main editing workspace, so make sure you are in the Edit page. At the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, look for the row of page icons and confirm Edit is highlighted. When you are on the Edit page, you will see your timeline at the bottom and the viewer in the center. Once that is ready, move to the top left corner and open the Effects library. Click Effects Library and you should see a panel slide out on the left side of the screen. In this panel you will find folders for video transitions, audio effects, and titles. If you do not see those lists, check that the small arrow beside each category is pointing down so the contents are visible. From there, go into the Titles section, then choose Text Plus. Inside Effects Library, click Titles, then look for Text Plus in the list. You will know you have the right one because its icon shows a simple letter and the name says Text Plus, not just text. Many editors prefer Text Plus because it offers advanced controls, including the outline options we need here. Next up, drag the Text Plus effect onto your timeline. Click and hold Text Plus, then drop it on an empty video track where you want your title to appear. When you let go, a new clip appears on the timeline, usually with a default name like title. You can extend or move this clip later, but for now just make sure it sits above any video layer you want visible behind the text. With that in place, select the Text Plus clip on your timeline. A single click on the title clip should highlight it, often with a colored outline. This tells DaVinci Resolve to show its controls in the inspector. If you ever find the inspector not changing, double-check that this Text Plus clip is still selected. Now open the inspector in the top right area of the interface. If the inspector is hidden, click the Inspector button and a panel will appear on the right. You should see several tabs such as Video, Settings, and For Text, plus a dedicated section with text controls. When you select the text options there, you will see fields for the font, size, and the actual text content. At this point, go to the Shading tab inside the inspector. The Shading tab controls how each part of the text is drawn, such as fills, outlines, and shadows. When you open it, you will see a row of elements, usually labeled Element 0, Element 1, Element 2, and so on. A common beginner mistake is to change the wrong element, so we will be very specific here. Next, click Element 2 in that shading list. When Element 2 is selected, its settings appear just below. Element 1 is usually the main fill, while Element 2 is often used for outlines. You can think of each element as a separate layer on the same text, which lets you combine fills, strokes, and effects. With Element 2 selected, enable it by checking Enabled. Once you tick Enabled, you should see a small preview of the text update in the viewer. If your outline is not visible yet, do not worry, we still need to change the appearance type and adjust the width. Now change the appearance setting to the outline option, the hollow A icon. In the appearance row, click until you find the icon that looks like an empty letter A instead of a solid one. As soon as you choose that, the text on your viewer switches, so only the edges are drawn. This tells DaVinci Resolve to use Element 2 purely as a stroke around the characters. After that, adjust the color control to set your outline color. Click the color box and pick a color from the color picker window. You will see the outline on your text update live as you move the color wheel or change the sliders. Beginners often like pure white or black outlines for readability, but you can match your brand colors here too. Next, tweak the thickness setting to control your outline size. Increasing thickness makes the outline grow outward from the letter edges, while smaller values keep it subtle. Watch the viewer while you drag so you do not accidentally make the stroke so thick that it swallows the letter shapes. There is no single perfect value. It depends on your font and how large the text appears on screen. Finally, use the Softness control to adjust the edge softness of the outline. A low softness value keeps the edge crisp, which is great for sharp titles. Higher softness slightly blurs the outline edge, which can help when the text sits on busy video. Small changes here can make your text feel more integrated with the background instead of pasted on top. You just created clean outline text in DaVinci Resolve using Text Plus and the shading controls, so if that helped, give this a thumbs up to help others and maybe subscribe for more Resolve tips.